Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood number HS44. This is a box of 50 4.5-inch hinge shims. And when you buy one, you're buying one box of 50. Okay, that's how they're sold. I'll take one out of the box and show it to you. This is a 4.5-inch 65 thousandths of an inch thick shim. Very common, very typical, not only in its thickness, but because of its height as well. So 65 thousandths is probably the second common size that you're going to find. First of all, 4.5-inch high. Rockwood also does have 5-inch tall shims in both the 65 thousandths and the 28 thousandths of an inch thickness. Now, 65 thousandths, there are three sizes, as I said earlier, about 28 thousandths, about 65 thousandths, and then available in the industry, 90 thousandths, although not by Rockwood. So basically a 32nd of an inch, basically a 16th of an inch, and basically 3/32 of an inch. Okay, 65 thousandths according to Rockwood. Let's put the caliper on there and test that. This shim is closer to 0.070, so 70 thousandths of an inch. Certainly that's not going to cause trouble. Now, why are they slotted like this? Well, they're slotted like this so that when you use them, you don't have to remove the entire hinge, all 4 screws, pull the leaf out, and then put it in and then put everything back on. Just loosen the screws, kick the hinge out a little bit, push this in, and just get it pushed in, and you're in good shape. Okay, a 16th of an inch, very common for a shim. The 28 thousandths is equally, probably more common, because padding a door a 32nd of an inch rather than an entire 16th is common as well. Generally, when I sell these, especially like on this order, going to an engineering department at a university, having the thin and the medium, the smallest thickness and the medium thickness on hand is very common for that sort of application. Obviously locksmiths, obviously door distributors, subcontractors that are installing material are going to have these on hand. Okay, galvanized, that's important, and made of steel as well. The width I didn't tell you, but it's 1 7/16 of an inch. That's going to be typical and common for a shim. And again, sold in a package of 50. There is a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure that will allow you to review the shims from Rockwood. Now, of note is this. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Rockwood products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. Now that's very handy because within the full product catalog you can get to the pages where you can review all of the filler plates and hollow metal door and frame piece parts that can be used within that sort of door distributor, hollow metal door installer type industry. Now when you pull up that full line product catalog, as I'm doing literally right now and waiting for the document to load, while I'm waiting for it to load, there is also a link on the manufacturer's page to the product catalog called Architectural Door Pulls. That's architectural metal, stainless, brass and bronze, wood wrapped, rubber wrapped, leather wrapped they can do as well. If you've ever walked into a building that has a 4-foot or 8-foot long door pull on it, that's very likely Rockwood's RM series, which is the architectural door pull catalog. Now back to the full line catalog. If you pull that up and just do a find function on your search, in your search or on your keyboard, you'll type in, say, HS44. You're going to get to that part of the catalog where you will find that. The preceding and the proceeding pages will show you all of the other sister products to shims, filler plates, namely for doors and for hollow metal doors and for hollow metal frames and the associated product line. If you have any questions on the Rockwood HS44 65 thousandths of an inch thick hinge shim or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.